It's okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and take it.
There's nothing there. There's cheese.
Well, that's it. So perfect.
Why did
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
This cat. Oh, that is so sweet. Gumdrop, can you give me a high five? How about a fist bump? Can you wave and say hi? Thank you.
Crystal? Yeah!
You. I go. Oh. Hi, how you doing?
You don't have to knock. You can just come in.
Hi. Yes, hi.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that. Oh.